Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home and to another day of the 25 days of Christmas. I could not be more excited for you to be here today because I want to share how to make this beautiful napkin ring with Dollar Tree items. It's absolutely stunning. It has some jewels and it looks so pretty with white dishes and very glam. So if you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on for future decorating ideas and the rest of the 25 days of Christmas. Let's get started. For this project, we're gonna need silver tinsel pipe cleaners, 2 tinsel gold pipe cleaners, scraps of silver ribbon, a napkin ring, silver jewels, our glue gun and a glue stick, and our scissors. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and attach a few of these silver tinsel pipe cleaners together because we're going to cover our napkin ring with this tinsel. So you want to go ahead and insert it and then fold backwards, that way it doesn't snag your napkins. And what you want to do is just basically weave it through the pipe cleaner and go all the way around. It's kind of like you are knitting or sewing this napkin ring, and you just want to go all the way around like this, holding because you want it to be really tight. Then when you come to the end of this pipe cleaner, just go ahead and attach another one right here by spinning them together, and then you go up and then you spin them together again. And so you want to do the same again and just go ahead and repeat this step till it's halfway full, because once it's halfway full, what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and add a gold one because we just want to have a little accent of gold because our glam look for this year, it's silver and gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach this gold right here. I'm going to twist together and then I'm going to go up and twist again, so that way it's very secure. And then you want to go ahead and start weaving the gold through. It's very simple, and keep in mind that this needs to be super tight so it doesn't snag your napkin. But once the product is finished, I think you guys are really going to love the look of this napkin ring. Very glam, very beautiful. Alright, I'm going to continue weaving through and I'll be right back with you guys to show you what it looks like. Alright you guys, so once we get to this point, then what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and attach these two right here. And then we're going to go ahead and go backwards and just hide it like that. So the next step is going to jewel this, and for that I have these really pretty jewels that I found at my local DT store for $1. Look how beautiful these jewels are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my glue gun, and what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on these little stars and then just go ahead and do a row of them like so. So we're gonna do a little bit of glue on our jewel, then we're gonna go ahead and just do one row of these snowflake jewels. Super easy, super simple, just a little bit of glue, and then you're gonna put a jewel right there. I cannot believe these little snowflakes are only 99 cents for this whole bunch. There's so many things you can do with them. Alright, so I'm gonna finish putting these jewels and I'll show you the next step. Alright you guys, so once you finish putting all of the jewels on your napkin ring, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little poinsettia. I show you how to make these ribbon poinsettias, and if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to link it up on the icon right now, but I'm going to do one real quick just so you see how easy it really is. What we're going to need is 6-inch ribbon and a clothespin. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this in half, and then you're gonna fold the edges down, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pin it, and then you're gonna grab another one and you're gonna fold, then you're gonna fold them down, and then you're gonna go in the back, and then you're gonna just go ahead and pin it until you have all of this ribbons. And for this poinsettia I'm using 8 ribbons. So fold in half and then fold back and pin it. One more time, fold back. If you want, like I said, detailed instructions on this, go ahead and watch that video with the poinsettias. We've used them on all of our GLAM projects so far, and there's still a few more, so I really recommend you go and catch up on those projects. Okay, and then fold in half. We have 2 more, so fold in half and then fold the edges down and then just pin it. I love the clothespin idea because it really gives you both hands to work versus just trying to fold them all at once. It's just so hard. Alright, once you have them all like this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab one of your silver pipe cleaners. You're gonna fold them like that. You're gonna pull really tight upwards, and then you're gonna spin. Alright, once you have that done, you're gonna start fluffing your poinsettias, and you want to fluff up and fluff down because I will give this poinsettia dimension. And then once again on the other side, you want to fluff up and as well as down, so that way this flower becomes 3-dimensional. And once you have them all like this, you just want to have to fluff and fold and give this little poinsettia a little bit of life like this. And the good thing about this ribbon is that it's wired, so it really allows you to play with this. Once you have a 3-dimensional looking poinsettia like this, what you want to do is you want to add a little bit of glue to the middle, like so. And then we're going to add one of the jewels for detail. And using our clothespin, you want to push down till it dries, alright? And then also what I want to do is I want to add a few more just on random petals to give it a little bit more sparkle, because we have them, so why not use them? I'm going to do a few more, like I said, just in random petals. Add a little glue, then add a jewel like that, and over here, and that will really help it catch on the light on your table. If you have any candlelight, I'm gonna do a few more because I really like the way this is looking. These jewels are at your local DT store, you guys. I really recommend. They have red ones, they have silver ones, they have green ones, and they're only $1. And as you can see, they really come in handy on this project. So I think I'm just gonna add, this will be the last one right here on the tip. Just be really careful with your glue gun because you can really burn yourself. Alright, so once I have a few of these jewels on my poinsettia, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and cut the excess right here of these pipe cleaners and save them because we might use them for another project. Never, never, never waste your materials. Fold that down. Then I'm going to add a whole bunch of glue right here so we can attach it to our napkin ring like this. We're going to hold it for a few seconds till the glue becomes tacky, pressing down, and just like that you have yourself a beautiful poinsettia for your table. Alright you guys, as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous on your napkin and on your white dishes. I love the way this turned out because it really catches the light. Super easy to make, super affordable. Probably about $1 per, not even $1, but it just be cents to make something like this. If you already have the napkin rings, and then also by buying all of these items at the DT store, you can come up with this beautiful, beautiful napkin ring DIY for your hosting. Alright everyone, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you have enjoyed this little DIY. As you can see, it turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I love the way all the jewels just catch the light so glamorous and so pretty. This particular look is so glamorous with all the jewels, but if your theme is not glam this year, you could do the same with red and green or any color to fit your holiday decorating. So I really encourage you to give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend and let them know about the 25 days of Christmas here at Ramon at Home. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on for future decorating ideas and the rest of the 25 days of Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey you, yeah, you, have you subscribed to this channel? I really recommend you do, and hit the notification bell on so you're notified about every single upload. Also follow me on my social media or just watch more videos right here. Oh, how fun it is to ride.